All right, we got what's that? PSR-SX what 920? Open it up. Lift it up. Take all the foams out first. Don't just lift. Take everything out one by one. Hold on. What are you doing? Can you like peel off the plastic stuff? Pull it off. Leave it where it was. Leave it where it was. One step at a time. There you go. Now peel it right there. That's why they had it like that. Make sure that thing didn't bend anything over there. This thing right here. Hold on. Check it out. Check it out first. Check this out first.
Nothing's broken. It's fixed.
What do you mean it's fixed?
It's good.
Of course it's heavy. Is your hand clean?
Yes.
You better make sure it's clean.
Keys feel way better than my 900.
What's up? Oh yeah. Plug it in together already?
No. I couldn't.
Owner's manual right here. Plug it in here.
I know. You're gonna take the thing off. Pause.
Oh my god. Fresh out the box, man. Fresh out the box.
Style.
What's new about this?